Ashwini, first tell us, what did you think of the script when you read it?
Okay, first of all, the call came in the first week of January this year. So obviously for my New Year's, every time it's a New Year and it's 12:01 a.m. I usually have prayers saying that get me lots of work, and the first call came is yours. And I want to confess here, I want to tell everybody that this role was supposed to be, some other actor was supposed to do it, and I'm saying actor, made. And then suddenly, what happened and what his thought was that he would explain. He said, I want a female actor to do it, and then he thought of a friend, me, and I was lucky enough, my prayers were answered, and that's how I came on board. Trupti Sonawane is a cop from Panchgani, and the first thing when he said, you're playing a cop, I said, oh my God, now we have to start shooting on 20th, if I precisely remember, 20th or 22nd was first day. And I said, I need to reduce weight, I need to lose weight. And I remember you told me that it's not required because the cop of Panchgani is not as skinny.
पंक्चर करने के लिए ये कीलें बिछाई थी.
And I said, no, I have to. And then this whole process of starting losing weight. And then you told me the story on the phone. You were having cutting chai in the tapri. And you told me the story. And I really, I loved it. Because it was a very, it's a murder mystery, mysterious drama, suspense and everything, whodunit genre. But I thought that the cop's role was very entertaining. He's made me do a little entertaining cop also, not usually that, मुझे लगता है तुम हो का murderer. It's not like that.
मॅडम,
पार्थे सगळ्या घराची तपासणी करा. संशयास्पद काही सापडलं तर हात लावू नका. मला फक्त हाक मारा. नाही का?
It's very entertaining. She's fun-loving. She's from Panchgani. Fun-loving in the sense she has got these one-liners, and so it was quite interesting. And to play a cop is always every actor's dream role.
फिर से वही सवाल. पूना से जब आप यहाँ पर वापस आए, तब क्या किसी ने आपको देखा? आपके पास सबूत है? कोई था आपके साथ?
So I think I've got the best role.
And who done it?
And who done it? Yeah, who done it? So you are only chasing, and there's a brilliant line which he is given because he stays in Panchgani, and Panchgani, whoever's traveled, they all know that it's such a safe place कि कुछ वहाँ पे गलत नहीं होता है. तो इन्होंने मुझे डायलॉग भी दिया है फिल्म में कि जहाँ पे साला एक रुमाल चोरी नहीं होता है, एक पॉकेटमारी नहीं होती है, वहाँ पे 24 घंटे के अंदर 2 मर्डर हो गए, दिमाग खराब नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा. So the lines are like this, so they are very lovely lines, and we had a lot of fun.
कहा मेरे एरिया में एक पॉकेटमारी का केस नहीं आता था. 24 घंटे के अंदर मेरे एरिया में 2 मर्डर हो जाते. एंड व्हाट हैपेंड? नथिंग मैम.
ठिठुरते हुए जनवरी की ठंड में, मुंह से भाप निकलते हुए, इस तरह से हमने शूट किया है.
Tell us, Ashwini, when you started working with me, this is my first film. So I hope the experience that you worked with a lot of very seasoned directors, and what was the difference in that and this?
Honestly, every director, every individual is different, the way I am and the way you are. But whoever I have worked with, you get to know that, ये थोड़ा सा अपने को काम करना पड़ेगा अश्विनी, but here that thought didn't come like other, he said, seasoned directors, because those directors are also very clear in their mind. The script is there completely in front of them. They have seen the film already before they have made it, so it's all there in front of their eyes, and that's what was there with you. So even now when we are the smallest thing that we are dubbing, and he said, no, I don't want this. You were telling Karim bhai, no, I don't want this. It only happens when you have a clearer picture in your mind. You have the entire script, you have the entire film, because you have lived this film for the last so many years. So each and every frame, to dialogue, to hair, to makeup, to shoes, to nail polish, everything is clear in your mind. So now it's there. So he's seeing it. So we cannot go wrong. In fact, the best part is he had given us the liberty that work on the scene, work on the dialogue. The dialogues are just the, you can say, just the hint. Maybe it's just one word, like, now you have to elaborate on it. But that elaboration, you as an actor, you get carried away. You just go and go and go on and on. So he would say, no, I just want 2 lines, and I just want in 2 lines, can we do something like this? And so it was more like an improvisation, more like a workshop. At the same time, it was more like a theatre kind of a thing sometimes, mostly when we would rehearse the scenes, and it was fun. It was very organic, whatever we tried to do it. Yes, I would not say the entire film is organic. We had to do it mechanical and practical because it's a whodunit thing and suspense. So, but the process was quite organic because every day was a new day, and every day we were like, okay, how do we do this scene? And so it was fun. And it was, like I said, that working with you was a lovely experience. Somebody who's letting you have seen the film in your mind. I don't know if I'm putting it correct, saying it right. You have the clearer picture. You know what you want, but at the same time, you are asking us to get involved. And कुछ दे सकती है क्या अश्विनी? देखना इसमें क्या दे सकती है? This itself, this sentence itself is like, come, let's get involved in the project. It's not that, Ashwini, this is what I want, you do it, and we are pretty okay with that. I'm okay with that. कि this is what you're looking at. But चल अश्विनी कुछ ट्राई करके देखते हैं सेंटेंस में, और मुझे ये चाहिए सेंटेंस में, पर जो फर्क है वही हुआ इस फिल्म. So which I
Tell me,
had.
Ashwini, we had worked together in a movie as actors.
Yes.
Unkind. From then to today, what was the difference you felt when you worked with me again?
Energy wise the same. In fact, he's gone more mad. No, I think there he had surrendered, and here we all had surrendered to the script. So, as an actor, you surrender to the director. So that's what you want. I'll do that. But here, the whole process was like, though you could have asked us to surrender, like I said back also, like I said before this, that you could have said, Ashwini, surrender and just do what I'm asking you to do. But instead of that, you said, let's surrender to the story. Let's surrender to the script. And that's the reason we all are not looking patchy. It's not that Kunalji is doing his job and Amira is doing her job and I'm doing my job and you are doing your job, editor is... I think everything will come together. It'll be like a nice, lovely film, because we all had surrendered to that script and to that process. So there was a lot of energy on this.
Hot chicken. And so guys, just do your lines.
Morning was like never like good morning. He loves everybody. The way he showers love, and it's very from his. It's not like काम निकालना है तो ये जानू बोल दिया and you are so beautiful बोल दिया. No, he actually means it. He makes you feel so good. Charlotte was there and we were looked after. We had strawberries and kale juices and we were healthy. So we were spoiled. And then from there, when we go to another set, we get kicked. Not really. But yeah, but we were put up in a lovely hotel. We all would, sit, chat, gossip. So there was a lot of it was, what healthy atmosphere tha. It wasn't that I'm working with Kunalji for the first time or with Amira. Everybody was like, yeah, nice, lot of fun. I had a lot of fun. And it all depends on the captain of the ship, that how you keep the mahol on the set.
How was your experience with Kunal and Amira?
Oh, they are brilliant actors. Amira is such a beautiful angel that she is. She's actually so beautiful and by heart. बहुत मस्त था. कुणाल सर तो बहुत उम्दा कलाकार हैं. बहुत मज़ा आया उनके साथ काम करते हुए. We learned so much, and both of them, whatever scenes that we have done, they were at ease. It wasn't that, especially that scene that we both were. I don't want to mention that scene because I'm sure that Zaran can't roam. So that scene, me and Kunal, so we worked the previous evening. It was an off for him. I had just landed, but it was an off for him. But you also came in there, and we sat down. We wrote the lines. You will say this. We rehearsed there the previous evening. We were like frozen, but still we were working on the scene. Next day we went on the set again. We did it. So much of man, and he's so passionate, and that's what rubs on to the other actors also. So I think it was all of them, all the actors. I mean, we had a lot of fun. I had more work with Kunal ji and Amaira ji. So yeah, and my cop gang, they were so much fun. They were locals. They were so cute. Yeah, so I had fun.
One last question. Tell us about the role that you had to involve the Maharashtrian style and nuance in this character of Trupti Sonawane, and how did you feel when you met her in person?
Yeah. Okay, I have photographs of her. When I met her in person, she is so... Her personality is... Nobody will mess with her, first of all. So, and she came in very nicely, very sweet. But the way she was looking at everything, it's the cop thing. It's not that she came and maybe it was a fan moment for her. Not fan in the sense, film set, and then she's come and she was the way she was. I'm not saying the fan moment, but yeah, there were actors, there were Kunal ji and there was Amaira, and but the way she was looking at everything was like, the cop's nazar, which I caught. Okay, I've been a part of CID show, which taught me what the cop is and how. And then I kept speaking to her, and she said, yeah, her life, what she does. She's such a normal lady. She goes home, she cooks food, but when she's in the uniform, nobody can mess around with her. You also become, ho madam. And I love the fact that you made her a Marathi cop, me being Maharashtrian. And so I had fun. And when I told her that, this is what I'm trying to do, she said, superb. You should do this. Yeah, this is great. And then, एक वहाँ से भी एक हाँ मिल गया, तो थोड़ा सा कि हाँ मतलब हम लोग कहीं कोई गलत नहीं जा रहे हैं. So enjoying. I mean, I enjoyed playing this Marathi cop. I could, the Marathi comes out easily. Mother tongue है तो. So and Panchgani. So Marathi has to be there. So it was fun.
सर हो सर लगेच येते सर. ओके सर. जय हिंद सर.
कुछ नहीं मिला मॅडम.
SP साहेबांनी बोलवलंय.
Kunal sir also tried to speak Marathi, in between. Yeah, I mean, when you have to deal with a cop, you have to speak in Marathi. That's what he thought. And he tried to speak the same thing that we dubbed.
तुम्हाला नाही करायचं तुम्हाला नाही करते मॅम.
So yeah, it was. Thank you so much making me a Marathi cop.
It was an honor, but I just want to ask you one last thing. Today, when you go back from this, would I be wrong in saying that there was something here that you can say came from the core that you are? Because you're like you said, you're a Maharashtrian and you're a woman, and we made you play the role.
Yes, and I'm feeling so proud that that whole thought on the 4th of January conversation that we had in 2019 4th Jan, I still remember. I liked the fact, I was quite touched that you said that why not a woman as a cop? Why it has to be only a male cop who can solve the case? When I meet Trupti Sonawane, I feel, oh God, वो 50 के बराबर एक है. एक नजर, and she is very calm. She was standing like this. She's so calm. She's so cute. The way she met us in the police station, in her office, she showed us everything, where the guns are kept and everything. She showed us the police station. Such a normal woman who says that, yeah, ma, I go back home and then I cook and this and that, the recipes we are sharing and all. But when she moves around in Panchgani, everybody is little, they all are. See the power. I'm so proud that I can play a woman who's a cop, authoritative, who solves this murder case, and I am just so proud being a woman playing Trupti Sonawane, a 3-star. Wow! And the power that you gave me in the film. Otherwise, there are sometimes you play a role where you are subdued, you can't raise your voice, or because you're subordinate or whatever. But you're the power that I enjoyed my life. I'm really grateful to you that I played a cop like this.
कहाँ मिला ये सब?
ये इस गली में जो कुछ भी सामान मिला सब लाया हूँ।
पार्थे भगाओ।
मजा आया, मजा ली।
Thank you very much.
जय महाराष्ट्र।
It was an honor working with you.
Seriously, thank you. I had lots of fun. I hope you guys like the film.
Fingers crossed. Thank you.
Yeah.
Chucky.
अरे क्या वेड़ी झाली इसका? सॉरी किस लिए? हैं? तुमने तो इन्फॉर्मेशन दी ना इस रूम की, तुम खबरी हो मेरी। हैं? लेकिन अभी काम खत्म नहीं हुआ है हमारा, इसीलिए अच्छे से ध्यान देना और अपना मुंह बंद रखना, समझी? चल।